Google verified review posted by Amanda Norman. I was trying to figure out the best way to clean my rug. I started Googling best way to clean pet urine from rugs, and Martin's video popped up. I'm a huge fan of healthy and natural living, so when I saw that Martin only uses a salt mixture and water, I was in. Then I saw that his warehouse is in Broward and I live in Palm Beach County. I texted him that day and he promptly replied and told me I could bring it down that day. My children and I went down, and what a treat it was to see his technique on our rug. He started immediately upon our arrival. He is a character and very knowledgeable. I really enjoyed my visit. Since I'm a science teacher, he took the time to explain his science to me. He is a talented engineer to build what he did. It ended up being an educational and fun visit. The rug smells great, and I took it to him very stinky because of a doggie that was refusing to go out and thought it was her personal wee-wee pad. I was so sad thinking I may lose my beautiful rug. But Martin saved it. He's a rug superhero. Thanks!
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, it's Martin from PetPeePee. It's a pleasure to hear from a customer that appreciate my work. I built myself the XpetPee machine, and I put together the cleaner, the natural cleaner from the Dead Sea. So I take a lot of pride when the customer contact me after the cleaning and tell me I'm very happy with the service, especially when the rug was one step before visiting the waste management, the dumpster. If I can save this artwork, make me feel good. I enjoy cleaning Oriental rug because I have a feeling this is the last Mohican. Not many people can afford $5, $7, $10, $20,000 to spend on Oriental rug when IKEA selling a beautiful rug for $100. So when a customers deliver to my house or ship me the Oriental rug from California, New Mexico, Arizona, and I receive this kind of reviews, make me feel good. PetPeePee. Stay tuned and see how to fold the rug the right way. PetPeePee is a nationwide service, and I enjoy cleaning Oriental rug. Thank you very much, Meir Martin, the owner, the inventor of PetPeePee. Folding Oriental rug for shipping. Take a look. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face the ceiling. This is very important, so the folding of the rug is not going to leave any creasing or bending. Do not use tape on the rug. Put it in a big garbage bag. the heavy duty, put it in 2 of them, and put the duct tape, any type of good tape around the plastic bag. Measure the package and text us the measurement with your full information, email, phone number, and your address, and we will email you the UPS or FedEx label to your computer. If you cannot deliver the package to UPS store, we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick up the package. The minute that we receive your package, we notified you right away, and even we will send you pictures how we clean your rug. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing no trace of urine odor by cleaning and removing the urine odor using the Dead Sea Cleaner.